Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta Desi style. We'll explore a delightful fusion of Italian and Indian flavors, creating a truly unique and satisfying meal. You'll learn about the key ingredients, the simple cooking process, and how to bring it all together for a dish that's both comforting and exciting. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this incredible culinary adventure, perfect for any occasion. Let's get cooking. To begin our Desi pasta journey, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of your preferred pasta, perhaps penne or fusilli. For the aromatic base, prepare 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget your vibrant Indian spices: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and a pinch of salt ready. Now, let's start cooking. First, boil your pasta in generously salted water until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 minutes. While the pasta cooks, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add your chopped onions and minced garlic, sautéing them until they turn a lovely golden brown. Next, stir in the diced tomatoes, cooking them down until they soften and form a rich, saucy base. Finally, mix in 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. It's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Drain your al dente pasta and add it directly to the pan with your aromatic Desi spice base. Toss everything gently to ensure the pasta is thoroughly coated. Pour in 1/2 cup of water and let it simmer for about 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Just before serving, stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala for that authentic finishing touch. Garnish with fresh cilantro and enjoy your delicious homemade Desi pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.